Here I am. It's versus. See? He's drawn some bad guys. And he can walk some bad guys. Don't get hurt. Here's the first level. See? 3, 2. And Mario got small, so it's my mistake. And I killed Mario too. Oh, I got small. Okay, Mario get big. Okay, I will see you later to the next episode.